This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so when we talk about this IPO process, the first thing we need to know, the customer will place an order to the company and company will place an order to the vendor. And vendor is going to be supplying the stock to the company and vendor is going to be charging the company for that. Okay, so once stock has been received at the company location, now company is going to be delivering the stock to the customer over here. Stock will be delivered to the customer and company is going to be charging the customer for that. Now this is going to be the cycle. Like the process will be starting with LC and process will be ending with LC. In between, MM is going to be coming into the picture over here. Now for this, we try to go for working out with the material, and in our material master, we need to make sure this item category group need to be maintained as BANC, B-A-N-C. There's the first change we need to do it. So I'm just trying to do all that particular changes and try to run it. Okay, Nasi. So try to create an order VA01. So document type OR. I'm trying to maintain rest of the information for this. So maintain our sold party, who's trying to place an order. Nasi. So I'm trying to work with our order over here, VS01. Now there's our sold party. So this is our sold party who's trying to place an order. So maintain it. Enter the material. So material we are working with TRA. I'm trying to maintain an order of. So there's our product. Click on enter. That's the one. Now, when you double click on this line item, get into conditions tab. Now we are working with one concept, IPO, right? Okay, so let me do one change. So get into our material master, MM02. And basically select the sales organization view. Now here we try to change this item category group from BANS to BANC. BANS to BANC. There's a change. We do it and try to save it. Done. Now try to create an order. VA01 OR is our document type. Maintain sold party. Maintain the product. I'm picking up an order of 120 units. Now check whether item category over here has been copied up as tab or not. That's what we need to check it. And if you get into item data, under item data, get into conditions tab and try to maintain the selling price of the product. So here I'm trying to maintain the selling price as 15,000 rupees. Okay. And if we get into schedule lines, under schedule lines, check out the delivery date, confirm quantity, and the schedule line category, which need to be taken as CB over here. So check these parameters are maintained up or not. Now, if it is maintained as CB, then purchase requisition tab is going to be getting enabled up. Purchase requisition tab will be enabled up over here. And this is a document type, use it for working out with our purchase requisition. Material information is there. And these two checkboxes should be active, GR and IR. So try to specify the storage location. There's our storage location. And who is the vendor to whom we try to place an order. So check out this vendor details over here. Purchase organization information. Come back, edit, incompletion log, and try to save this order. Now, once order has been created, we need to basically get into change mode of this particular sales document, and we need to check whether in schedule lines tab, a purchase requisition document has been generated up or not. If purchase requisition document is generated, that means our information from SD has been updated to FI department. Our information from SD has been updated to FI department. Sorry, MM department. I'm just trying to go for creating a purchase order now. So get into ME21 and transaction code and click on document overview on. So whatever purchase requisitions we have created will be getting displayed up. So click on the selection variant, my purchase requisition. Now select the latest purchase requisition and click on adopt. So all the data from PR is going to be copied into our PO. And these are going to be certain errors we need to resolve it. Create account 894010 as a costing element in the controlling area SAIN. Okay, now for this, I'm trying to basically get into FS00, where we try to go for creation of our GL accounts. So get into that, maintain the GL account number 894010 against company code SAIN over here, and you can see an option by the name edit cost element. So click on this one. So maintain it from 15th. And the CLM category maintenance task 11. That is the error what we faced it from 15 to 12. Now maintain it and try to save it. Done. So once it has been done over here, now work with purchase order creation once again. Selection variant, my purchase order creation tab. Okay, now close this one and do all the changes required over here. Now what is that? Now here first thing, check out who is the vendor to whom the company is trying to place an order, material, quantity, and here if you click on this delivery tab over here, delivery address, customer address information need to be getting displayed up. Not customer, it's going to be the company because delivery is going to be done to the company. So check out the company delivery address over here or the plant information. Now, if you get into conditions tab, so try to maintain the input price. So there's a cost, what I'm trying to update it. And if you get into invoice tab, so try to maintain the input taxes. So maintain the tax code, click on this tax tab. So how much amount is going to be collected as the taxes will be shown up. Now check this one and now try to work with this messages. There is one error, we need to maintain it. This is going to be related to your outputs, how you are going to be generating an output. So maintain it, come back, so click on check to see any data is missing, and now try to save this purchase order. So company has placed purchase order successfully to the vendor. This is going to be the second step. Now, once the second step is done, now what is the third step? Now vendor will be supplying the stock to the company, and we try to call it as an inbound delivery. Third step. So in this particular process, vendor will be supplying the products to the company, not to the customer. I'm trying to work with this inbound delivery and the transaction code to work out MIGO. This is a T code, which stands for goods receipt. And this is done with reference to what? With reference to purchase order, where movement type need to be taken as 101. E, orders on hand. The stock is getting reserved for a particular customer. You can't issue this stock to any other customer, only again that particular order specific. Now see, So if you try to create goods receipt, MIGO, okay, so close all these things are not required. So just try to enter our purchase order document number. So copy this number, maintain it, and click on execute. So all the values from this purchase order will be getting copied up. Okay, this document has been not released. We need to work out with the release process. So get into ME29N for this. Now click on this particular tab, other purchase order, and try to release it. So click on this release strategy and try to release this one. And save it. Okay, now try to work with MIGO. Maintain it and click on execute. So all the values from from PO will be getting copied. Material, quantity, 101E is the movement type, and stock is getting updated under unrestricted use. And you can see whatever stock we are getting in is getting updated again this particular order. Okay, stock is getting updated against that particular order. You can't issue this stock to any other customer at all. It need to be issued again this particular order itself. Plant and storage location where your stock is getting updated. So click on item OK over here. Click on check. And now click on post. So these entries you need to maintain up account determination for the entry INT WRX SAP1 3100 not possible. So for this you need to basically get into OBYC. OBYC. So select transaction as WRX over here. So chart of accounts INT SAP1 3100. I'm trying to maintain it. Save it. Apart from this, get into OMWD as well. And try to make sure you assign it. Against our valuation area, valuation grouping code need to be maintained. Now, I'm just trying to repeat this MIGO transaction once again. MIGO. Purchase order number. Now come down, click on check item OK. And then click on check item. So checkbox to see any data is missing in this particular goods receipt document, and then click on post. Okay, so there's another error. Now these errors are going to be with reference to MM and FI, nothing to do with SD. CO document number is not possible for the business transaction COIN in the controlling area. To resolve this one, we need to use a transaction code called as KANK, K-A-N-K. So maintain controlling area. So what is that controlling area? SAIN. Okay, so I'm trying to maintain it over here. SAIN. Click on groups. Now in this particular groups, click on create option and maintain a number range. Or let's try to maintain it as SAIN. 1 to 100 is what I'm trying to maintain, and try to save it. So just maintain the number and try to save it. Done. Now come back. Now select this one COIN and click on assign element group. So select our entry SAIN what we have created. Click on copy and save it. Done. So changes were made. Now try to do this posting. So when you try to record the transaction also, you will be facing these errors. So you need to know how it need to be resolved, because but in real time, CO guy is going to be responsible for this. Now click on post. Done. Stock has been posted up. Now if you check out the stock MMBE, now stock in the inventory will be getting updated against order specific. The stock is getting updated against order specific. You can't issue this stock to any other customer. Okay, you can't issue this stock to any other customer. Only for the customer who has been maintained in that particular order itself, you can go for issuing of it. Now once you're done with this, the next step. Now vendor will be issuing an invoice to the company. Okay, we need to cross check that invoice and we need to update the stock Hello?
Hello.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's audible.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to resolve one error over here. Class one எனக்கு Let me do this and get back to you on this one.